Well, I'm so happy to be. I'm kind of like, oh my God, this is happening. This is the day. I was ready since I think 8 in the morning here. Is a grateful day. So I want to tell you, and I am coming here to speak to you about removing barriers, but also telling you how I have been able to do it. So when 3 years ago, actually, I started feeling that that when I came to this world, like, why is my purpose? I didn't find anything that could fulfill my heart. As you know, I studied chemistry and I thought that was my big dream to accomplish. And then I graduated for my associates, but I started working in a lab and I was like, I like this, but there is something else that I need to be doing because this is not fulfilling my heart. And I know some of you maybe feel this way because you haven't find exactly what you like to do. As this morning I was saying, find something that you like, and even if they don't pay you, you will do it with so much passion because this is what you are being made for. And so I 3 years ago, I found myself in a place that I felt super empty. And I one day I hear my motivator, my best motivator, Les Brown, said, "Live full and die empty." And that day I was like, I am dying. I am dying because I haven't found my purpose. And even if I have a family, I have a house, and I am studying it, this is what you're supposed to do. I'm not full. I'm dying. I'm dying in life. And that day I realized that I had to do something in my life. I have to basically find something that can fulfill my heart. So that day came because well, I was knocking doors with my husband because I decided to be an entrepreneur. And I said, no, I don't want to be um, an employee. So I wanted to be my own boss. So I started knocking on doors, protecting families, selling alarm systems. And I said, you know what? This is amazing how you can basically help a family being protected. And I did it. And this was a calling for me because if you know, like, this doesn't have to be nothing with chemistry, but this was something else, helping people. And so, but still, I was like, I like this, but there is something else in me. So then I saw a friend that she was doing a business on social media, but I had my barriers, right? Because first, I have never done something like that, but also like being on a camera, I was like, maybe I don't know this social media thing. I don't know how to do it. So then I said, okay, let me knock at her door. This time was her door. So I asked her, even with that barrier, right? Because I'm gonna tell you that you can remove all the barriers that you have in life, but even if you are scared, just do it scared. So I went that day and I told her, hey girl, what are you doing? I like what you're doing, you know, like you're on social media and in your house, and I have two kids. So I didn't want to leave my kids with anybody, but you know, like, life happens and I had to just leave them with my mother-in-law, my mom, everybody. And I said, this is not the life that I want. I want to be being able to be a present mom. So I decided to knock on the door, and then she told me everything, basically what I had to, like, what I needed to build this empire, like I call. And that day she approached me and she told me, oh, okay, girl, so I told you everything. I know you're gonna be great. And then I said, okay. And she approached me with a raffle. So I was like, oh my God. That day I had a $1 in my pack, in my purse. And I said, oh my God, Dios mío. I'm a Colombian, so I speak my Spanish now and then. So I said, oh my God, I don't have more money, just $1. And thank God I had gas in my car. So she said, look, can you participate in this raffle? And I said, sure. I just don't have like cash. I just said like that, but I didn't even have cash. So just $1. So she said, oh, it's $1, the place. So I was like, okay, so it's $1. This is fine. Yeah, sure, girl. I'm going to write my name. So I wrote my name. But then she was like, I didn't expect that. She said, only $1? Only one place? Why? Only one place. And I was like, I didn't even wanted to tell her. Of course, I don't have anything else. But I was like, oh no, girl, the thing is that I don't have cash. And then, but well, I signed up in that raffle that day in more numbers than I paid her, right? But that day, that dollar that I had changed my life. That situation, because I knew that I had to wake up. I had to remove that barrier that I have in me, and I had to wake up and fight for my dreams and goals because I was dying. And if I didn't just remove the barrier, I was gonna keep dying and dying. And I, as I learned, like generations goes by, I don't want my kids to feel like my mom just doesn't have any life in her. So then I started saying, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do this. Scared, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it happen. So I started investing on myself. I started reading books, like listening to podcasts and everything because at that time I didn't have, money to invest in a coach. So I was coaching myself. And I started doing this business, and I built this business based on rejections because so many people they told me no, no, you know why? And they criticized me. Why you're doing that? You're a chemist. Why you're doing that? Why you're saying raffle? Because then I sold my raffles, right? And so I was like, wow, it's unbelievable. Some people they will think that you're doing great, right? You think that wow, you are an entrepreneur, but no, they will criticize you. So you know what? I didn't care because I had my vision and I know what I wanted to accomplish. So I said, you know what, Lord, I'm right here and I'm not going to move from my dream because finally I found my dream. And even if a lot of people they criticize me, I'm going to keep going because this is the only way that you will succeed in life. Let me tell you. And I want you to put in the chat box succeed, success. And I remember posting on social media only happiness and success. And you know what? I I just realized that like when I was putting that, I was just saying to the world, to the universe and to God, I want happiness and success. And you know what? To finish this, I want to tell you that as Les Brown calls me, I am Giselle, and this is the Gigi factor. And removing barriers means do it. If you have fear, just do it because you are unique. And if you feel something in your heart really like strong, this is a calling, and you are a calling to make a big impact in life. Thank you so much.